Hey guys, so I promised I'd vlog on this channel more for you guys, and hey, guess what? I am. But I don't know why, but I really like to. I gotta look at the camera, not my face. But anyway, guys, so this is my window. That is rain. You guys can't see anything, but you guys can probably hear it. I am on borderline scared, and my dog is extremely scared. She only comes down here when. Hi, Lexi Lou. Hi. I love you, Lexi. Oh, who's a good puppy? Oh, I love you, Lexi. But anyway, guys, so I love doing that. This rain. I'm just playing some NBA 2K, right? Just chilling. I uploaded my video for today. I am talking to a couple people on Skype and whatnot, and we just hear this massive rain coming through. You guys can see right there. I did move some of my stuff because I didn't want it to get wet through the window. I don't blame it, rightfully so too. Tennessee football. Oh yeah, that's so intense. I'm gonna go upstairs and see if I can show you guys upstairs. Hold on. I'm not even kidding. That's too cool. Actually, I'm back. Don't worry, puppy. Were you worried about me? Were you worried about me? You shouldn't be. This is so cool. I'm a huge fan for weather and stuff, so, you know, rain, snow, all that good stuff. So, I'm gonna actually go enjoy this. So, if you guys can see, I'm winning right now by, like, 5 points. But, anyway, I'm gonna go. I'll see you guys later. Look out for more Minecraft videos on my channel and some other good stuff. I can't spoil any surprises, but yeah, I'll see you guys later. Peace. Rain.